Look at him celebrating his birthday on Sunday. Yay! So guys, we are going to snap picture now. On our way to snap pictures, come with us as we are going to be taking you guys along with us today. Okay, yeah, we are going to show you guys how we are going to be snapping picture, the disturbance, the cry, everything. Yes, he's celebrating. Hi, hey baby, hey baby, hey baby, hey baby, are you happy? Are you happy to celebrate your birthday? We are going to studio to do our Photoshop for my king, for my prince, prince.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Abba, 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 abba,
Good boy.
abba, abba,
Good boy.
abba, 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 abba.
Yeah, you get enough. You can change it. Okay.
Ha, ha,
No worry, I will try buy tickets for Christmas. I don't promise this children. Yeah, come.
Nanny, take. Come on, take. Nanny, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Okay. Yeah.
It's really small.
Done. You don't finish. Now you come out Christ. Yes, ma. I'll call you back. Yeah, ma.
So guys, we are done with our Photoshop for today and we are going home now. Look at the big boy that is doing birthday boy, and we are going home now. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider to subscribe to our channel so whenever we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Bye guys. Just say bye bye. My son didn't crash, it was just too good. Like, my son was too bravo. You guys will see the video, I will upload the video. It was too good. He didn't cry. He don't walk, he don't try. He's supposed to die. He don't.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home.